All right, so here we have a 2004 Nissan Titan. What we're going to be doing today is just replacing the brake pads for the front. All right, so we're going to start by removing the caliper. So we have two 14mm bolts right here. Okay, so we just need to push our piston back a little bit. All right, so I'm just pushing my piston back. I'm getting my tool in the vent of the rotor. And it is a dual piston, so I'm kind of walking back and forth. All right, so we got that. I'm going to go ahead and set this down. All right, so now we want to push our caliper back. All right, so we've pushed enough fluid back that we're coming out the master cylinder there. All right, so here we have some new pads that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. We did get pads with the hardware kit, so this all comes together, and basically the hardware kit is these slides right here, right? So this is a pretty rusty unit. What happens is the pad cannot release correctly, and one pad will wear out faster than the other. So these are very important pieces for doing new pads, especially for uneven brake wear. All right, so we want to go ahead and take off our old ones. All right, we'll go ahead and press our new ones on. I'm going to go ahead and put our caliper back on. And when we do this, we want to just make sure that we didn't twist we didn't twist the caliper around and get any kind of loops in our brake line. I just don't have it pressed back far enough, Josh. All right, another important part is we want to make sure that our slides move around, they go in and out. All right. Go ahead and put our bolts back in.
My brother got addicted to those little peppermints for a while.
Yeah.
He's I think he has a kind of an addictive personality. You know, some people are get more addicted to things than other people are. So for a long time he was a smoker, and then he switched to vaping, which helped him quit, kind of like what Joe did. But then he started like eating these peppermints all the time, you know. So then he switched from peppermints to cough drops.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I think he realizes what he's doing, but it's just hard for him to stop doing it.
Okay, so now we're ready to go to the other side. Okay, so now that we got our pads on, what we'll do is put our tires back on, and then we'll give the brakes a couple pumps, get the brakes working, then we'll go ahead and give it a test drive, make sure we got no noises or anything. And we're all set.